Hey guys, it's Mike Lowry. A lot of questions coming my way lately around additive-free tequilas. What are additive-free tequilas? Well, let me tell you. So first of all, when you're making tequila, you are by law allowed to add certain things to it. You can add glycerin to make it a little sweeter. You can add vanilla to make it a little bit, richer. You can add some color. And so there's a lot of folks who are really trying to find a tequila that does not have any of those additives. And so what you're getting instead is a lot of that true agave flavor. Big brands out there today. I love this El Ateo right now. This is a 100% Tahona stone made. That means it's crushed by this big stone. There's no additives in here at all, no sugar, no vanilla. This is just pure agave. So you're gonna get some funky flavor notes on there, stuff that you would not necessarily get if you're just drinking big brand tequilas maybe. And so notes maybe like herbaceousness, like forest floor, sort of, a little kind of funny smells too, especially in the Blancos. When you start getting to repos and anejos, those flavors tone down a little bit with the wood. But how do I drink them? I'll tell you. For me, it's the Blanco because all those flavors shine. Blanco rocks. That's where I go. Otherwise, I might say you could go and make yourself a little old-fashioned with a repo and an anejo. But really, these guys shine however you want to drink them. Next time you're in Total Wine, ask one of our associates to show you where our additive-free tequilas are. They know where they all are, and you're going to find one you love.